Another beautiful day. We're back out here at Kentucky Lake again. It just, with the water getting real low, it's just really hard to pass up. And it's even dropped less than what it was. Got the vehicle parked up there and the wife is behind the trees. Got us a good little fire going. And she's reading a book. She's content. I think my girl is, let's see. I think right over there. I think you can barely catch the back of the chair. She's over there somewhere. But we're gonna try it again. And oh, excuse me, I ain't got a shirt on. It's hot. I'm gonna take advantage of the sun today. Hey, what can you say? But I got digging, and I've hit a couple other holes, and it's been lead so far. But this one, I almost passed it up. I'm using my AT Pro again, and I'm only running for coins today. And I do have my discrimination, if you can see that, set at 40. I'm still running full sensitivity. I'm in pro coin mode today. And I hit about an 83. I've been hitting in the 80s. I've been hitting lead. And I almost passed it up. I thought, okay, let me try it again. I'll turn the phone on. But I went and even reset my pinpointer a little deeper. What's that? That's an odd looking weight. Okay, yes, I found it. Like a light bulb in there. I guess some sort of a... yeah, that don't work. Looks like a bulb in there, so some sort of light device. I don't know. I'll keep it, see what happens. Let's check. Yeah, we got something else. Always check your holes. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Says I've got it right here. Oh, I see something down there. It seems like it's saying I've got something here too. Yeah, shiny bullet. Not the caliber that I'm wanting, but I'll take it. Put that right over here. Oh, that's saying I'm still getting something right here. Maybe not. Oh, we're in another spot. So anyway, this hole's empty. Okay, hopefully we can have you some good coins. If not, we're still having fun and we're out in the sun. So out on the lake today. Okay, I'm getting when it bounces like that, I'd almost pass it up. I'm almost thinking lead. Between a dime and a quarter. Let's maybe even hear it. If you can. It's shallow. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I should know better. Should always wear gloves. You never know what you're gonna find in here, and I've been running up in some glass. What's that? Dog tag. Pretty heart. That's not an old one. 2016 rabies tag. Yeah, I know that clinic very well. I used to take my dog when I used to live near here. Waverly Animal Clinic, Clyden Road. Ain't got a name for the dog on the back, so ain't really been there very long. Let's see, make sure ain't nothing else in the hole. Seeing something else, I don't know what that is. I'll get my shovel. I don't really like digging in there, but dog tag. I've been over this beach now, and I started right over in that area, about where the end of my finger is touching, and I've been scanning and no coins. Either I got them all or somebody came and got them too, but we're still searching. We're having fun. I'll check back with you in a minute. Found a little dime on the surface. AT Pro was telling me we had us a dime. Man, the sun is really wicked. I have no idea how y'all are viewing this. That's a little 77. It's not an old one. Nice green patina on it though. But it's just right along the surface. Just scooped it under. Yeah, I'll take it. Hey, we're gonna do a wrap up. It's getting hot and I'm getting hungry. Had a little bit of trash. Found quite a more cans, but I just couldn't get them all. Did find a little car. I don't know who number 15 is, but it looks like a little Mustang. Something just bit me on the leg. That was kind of cool. Yeah, wheels still turn. Plenty of lead. This is the oddest lead I have ever seen. Apparently it must be a 4 ounce. I've never seen lead like that before. I still got a piece of the string on it. Very unusual for me. I've never seen that. Thought that's pretty odd. Found looked like a part of a flashlight assembly insides, the little bulb in there. So that's what I'm thinking that it was. I'm sure it don't work no more. Got the Dine, I think that's a 77, and I think it's a 1989 Stinking Lincoln. Few bullets, wrong air. Kind of cool. Like a little 22. Like it hit something and really just smeared. I thought that's kind of odd. I don't know what kind of caliber this is. That is one big dude. It's got a soft tip, so apparently meant for expansion of the bullet. Been fired, but apparently didn't hit nothing to expand. 22. Probably 5.56. Modern bullet. Mushroom, don't impact. Probably 45. Hit a little something there. They're all fired. Smaller one. But that's about it. So, wasn't a whole lot. It was just nice being here. Has a little fire and nice sunny day. But now we're hungry. So we're gonna get something to eat. Y'all have a blessed day and thank you for watching. And we will see y'all again. Have a good day.